Hello everyone, this is Marky and welcome back to my channel. And today, since everybody miss Yellow Cab, everybody wants Yellow Cab naman, di ba? The Pizza House, may specific pasta kasi ako dun na favorite, yung Charlie Chan's pasta. It's parang chicken barbecue pasta with nuts, something like that. Yun yung gagawin natin today, and isi-simplify natin siya so everyone will can make it and can definitely enjoy this recipe. So let me just prepare the ingredients and let's start cooking. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos ko. Okay, so for our ingredient, we need chicken breast, we need nuts, we need mushrooms. If you have shiitake mushroom, that would be great. Because I don't have shiitake, so I use the regular button mushroom. And if you have canned, also you can use that, no problem. We need oyster sauce, peanut butter, we need sugar, we need garlic, onions, and chives, cayenne pepper, or any chili flakes will do. Cooked pasta. This is already cooked al dente. And salt and pepper for taste, and then oil. Okay, so let's start cooking. First is heat up a pan. And while hinihintay natin siyang uminit, i-season na natin yung ating chicken ng salt and pepper. Okay. And some lemon juice. Konti lang na lemon, guys. Hindi ko na siya sinama dun sa ingredients kasi konti lang naman. Pero kahit walang lemon, it's fine. Okay, so pag mainit na yung ating pan, just put oil. Usually, pwede kang gumamit dito ng sesame oil. Mas maganda siya. Since I don't have sesame oil, I just use the regular cooking oil. And then put your onion. Ilagay ko na din yung garlic para sabay silang mag-translucent. And yung pasta ko, I always made it in advance para meron akong ready if ever na gusto kong magpasta. Iluto mo lang siya ng al dente, yung almost yung meron pang to the bite. Al dente kasi is to the bite. So pag pwede mo na siyang i-fridge after that. Kasi i-reheat mo na lang siya sa boiling water. Pwede mo na siyang isama sa spaghetti, sa pasta na gusto mong lutuin. And since hindi pa siya totally cooked, yung pasta, hindi siya ma-overcook pag ginalo mo siya ulit sa sauce. May problema yung ako. Lutuin nyo lang mabuti yung garlic and onion. And then just put your chicken na nilagyan natin ng salt and pepper. Sorry. Gisa-gisa nyo lang siya. Okay, so habang hinihintay natin yung chicken na maluto, gawin na natin yung oyster mixture. So, I need peanut butter, and then yung ating oyster sauce, So, alam na. And yung ating sugar. Siyempre, huwag nyo kalimutan yung niluluto. Halo-haloin nyo din. Kasi baka magtampo. Hindi na siya masarap. Ngayon, so ito na siya. Pwede mo na siyang dinlagyan dito ng salt and pepper. Pero since naglagay na din ako sa marination, konti na lang yung ilalagay ko. Watch out na lang kayo dun sa salt kasi meron ng yung oyster sauce is already salty na din. So ayan, ready na siya. Okay, so it seems like yung chicken is already cooked. Pwede natin ihalo yung ating mushroom and yung ating nuts. Okay, so ready na yung ating meat and yung chicken meat natin with the mushroom and the nuts. Ready na din yung ating sauce. So, iset aside na natin to. We need a smaller pan. Yan. I-heat lang natin yan. And kunin nyo na din ang inyong pasta. Because dito na siya makikilala. So, lagay lang tayo dito ng konting meat. Narinig niyo yan? And then put sauce. Put your cayenne pepper. Gusto ko nito yung manghang. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng chili flakes if you want. Put a little bit of your chives. And then put your pasta. Kaya mo lang siyang maluto dyan. Feeling mo kulang pa, just put a little bit more. Guys, ready na. Kasi dito lang siya kadaling lutuin. Done! Just let me plate this para matikman na natin siya. Okay, so i-plate ko lang siya. Ayun, usok-usok pa. Get some meat. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Here you go. Yellow Cab's favorite Charlie Chan's barbecue pasta. This one is another Markified. Simplified version of this dish. Sobrang sarap, sobrang daling lutuin, and everybody will enjoy. Let's taste it! Okay, so tapos na yung ating pasta, Charlie Chan's pasta from Yellow Cab. Ito na siya. Tikman na natin ulit. Hindi ko naman ito nakain talaga. Sobrang na-miss ko to. As in. Sarap. Speechless. Sarap, guys. Sobrang tamang-tama lang yung kanyang yung anghang, at saka yung tamis, at saka yung flavor ng peanut, at saka yung flavor ng chicken. Lahat masarap. Uy, sarap. It's definitely a success for me. Good job. Sobrang itry na itong recipe na to. Sobrang dali. It reminds me of my college days. Dun sa Yellow Cab sa may Katipunan. Sa may F&B building. Galing. Sarap. Ayun guys. So, if you want to cook this recipe, and if you wanted to have this recipe, follow my instructional video for this pasta, and let me know how it went. Give me a message, and then give description of how you do it, and it'll be amazing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button para updated ka sa lahat ng videos ko and sa mga upcoming videos ko din. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching.